Ultimate Drummer. My name's Hillyn, and I'm really excited that you're able to take 5 for yourself today. So this lesson is all about the paradiddle. Right, left, 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 left. It's a journey you're going to take into awesomeness, trust me. So when you're playing the paradiddle, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. That slow is a perfect start to playing the paradiddle. And then of course you just want to repeat it over and over and over again. Then you want to start speeding it up and see how long you can do it for before your hands just sort of go blah and fall apart. And then of course at some point you get it. And then of course faster and faster and faster. You can also think that the diddles are on one hand, and you could say this in your head or out loud. Par, ra, diddle, par, ra, diddle. That might make it easier for you. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. And if that helps, then try that method. If not, just say the sticking right, left, 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 over and over again. Subscribe, click the bell. Come back to another lesson when we take the paradiddle and we move it all around the kit and we learn how to accent and play on the hi-hat and snare and make cool grooves with it. So hope to see you there, and thanks for taking 5 today.